Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope everybody's having a great week as you stay warm and head into February already. It's hard to believe things are flying by, but that's how it goes, I guess. Um, okay, so a lot of time in the last few weeks, we've been talking a lot in the blog, the last few months really, about just all the deals we're seeing closing. I mean, it's hard to be in Texas and read, the normal papers or the business journals and not every day and not see a new deal going down. And that's obviously anecdotal, but it seemed like it's been really busy. Well, in the last couple of weeks, we've gotten some sort of studies that show that exactly what we were thinking is happening is actually happening. And so it comes out that Houston, things are actually booming pretty much there in commercial real estate. The third quarter was as good as any city in the U.S. Third quarter of 2021 was as good as any city in the U.S. for commercial real estate sales. Of course, we're all in Austin, and we kind of see what's going on here. We see the growth. I look out the window as if I'm seeing it now, but we see the growth and the construction going on. And I think there was a publication that I read a week ago that talked about how Austin is the best place in the country for a real estate investor based on the returns and what you're getting and what's coming in. And then finally, this is the big news and kind of what spurred me to write the article, is that Dallas, for the second year in a row, had more commercial real estate sales than any city in the country, the DFW area, I should say. And that is that just goes to show you how much Dallas is booming. They had just under $13.4 billion in sales in 2021, and really, I suspect you'll see that second year in a row for that to happen, and I suspect you'll see something similar going forward because, it brings us to what does this mean for the future? I mean, I just don't see it slowing down really in the near future at least because it's a business friendly environment in Texas. We have some business friendly laws and obviously the no personal income tax, and people keep moving here, and companies keep moving here. I mean, how many Fortune 500 companies have we had in the last couple of years that have relocated to Texas, including, Tesla's obviously moving its headquarters, and Samsung's building a huge chip factory. So these companies keep moving here. It's a fairly business friendly environment. Obviously there are things that could go wrong that we could screw it up. But if you want to invest and be in commercial real estate, it's hard to imagine there's a much better place to be than in Texas right now. So hopefully you like this. If you do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up for our blog. Have a great week.